Hey guys, today we're putting together a rectangle checkered quilt block. Look how cute that is. Super easy to put together. It's chain quilting, quilt piecing. So it's super fast and so adorable. You need 9 of color A, which for me is one of my old lines, Dainty Blossoms for Riley Blake. And all of these pieces are 1.5 by 2.5 inches. And you're gonna need 9 of color A and 9 of either a white or color B. And that's it to create this checkerboard. Then you're just gonna lay it out like this. And I am going to be sewing rows this way. You can sew rows this way. It's totally up to you. But I'm gonna sew rows this way. And so you're just gonna put right sides together, and you can do multiples. One of the nice things about this block, if you didn't want to lay it out, is that it's actually all, one color A to one color B. So you could just sew it together that way. Just get together the first couple here so you can see, and basically chain piece it. So you can see, I'm just gonna sew that. I can just flip this next one over. I'm not worried about making sure that they're all in the correct order. So I'm gonna quick chain piece all of these, and then I'll show you where to go from there. Okay, once you've got them all pressed open, you can go ahead and lay them back out again so they fit. Okay, so you basically have a 9 block at this point. So you can sew these together once again, or you can sew them this way. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to work vertically. Make sure you are continuing to press your seam all the same way. So you can see where I've got the seams pressed upward, or I'm not sure which direction it is you're seeing it from my camera, but basically just make sure everything is going the same way, okay? And I'm gonna press it from the top as well. There we go, cute. I'm gonna finish these last 2 rows. So the cool thing is, if you followed my directions and pressed everything towards your color A, which for me is the green, you should have easily nested seams, because you'll notice, look, that these are going opposite directions, which is awesome and totally perfect. So now you're just going to, if you want to, you can pin your pieces to go together, but really, because you've got nested seams here, you should be able to feel them and be able to sew along that edge to make sure it works together. So I'm just going to make sure I can feel those nested seams and then sew together these rows. Okay, so I've sewed those together now. I'm just gonna do a quick press. It doesn't matter which way you press, just press them all the same way. Okay, isn't that such a darling block? So, so cute. And it has a lot of tiny pieces, which, can be a lot, but it really goes quickly because you can chain piece them together. And once you get going on these teeny tiny blocks, that it just goes really quickly, and it's so beautiful. So I hope you have a chance to make this. If you haven't signed up, this block, along with all the ones I usually do every week and quilts I do every week, are actually free. I send a PDF to my VIP fabric group every single week. So you can join that by going to karinagardner.com and clicking on exclusive VIP, or clicking on my profile link, and you'll receive my PDFs. All right, see you guys.